try it! Cheers! Woo! Ang sarap! Come try the viral matcha konbini hack with me here in Japan. Pasok na ulit sa family mart. I'm gonna have this one. Hold it. Here's the coolish. Ohayou gozaimasu.
おはようございます。袋入れますか？
Onegaishimasu.
はーい。
I finally got the goods. Of course, the matcha. Coolish. Be careful not to spill it. Look at that. Medyo mahirap siya i-squeeze ng una. Look at that! Aesthetic! Parang na talaga siyang frap. Here it is. I'm so happy, guys. Ang bango. Tulasa talaga siyang whipped cream. Ganda niya. Let's try it. Cheers! Ang sarap! Oh, yum! Medyo nahihirapan ako gamitin itong straw na to. I got this one. Yung matcha, masarap siya kahit inumin niyo siya as is. And medyo meron siyang nutty flavor. Mas sumarap siya dahil dun sa nilagay nating soft serve ice cream, yung coolish. I'm so satisfied. Lasa siyang whipped cream. Masarap! In fairness, ang sarap. But if you want strong matcha, this is not for you. Yung matcha itself is creamy na, mas nilagyan pa natin ng more cream. Nilagay ko na yung cover ng ice. Madali na siyang haluin. That's it, guys. Bye!